Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy grape. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Insert your candy thermometer, ensuring it does not touch the bottom of the pan. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, clear candy base. Once the sugar is dissolved, increase the heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Do not stir the syrup during this stage. Stirring can cause crystallization. If sugar crystals form on the sides of the pan, gently brush them down with a wet pastry brush. Continue boiling until your candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees F, which is the hard crack stage. Precision here ensures the correct candy texture. As soon as the mixture reaches 300 degrees F, remove it from the heat immediately. Allow the syrup to cool slightly to about 260 degrees F before adding your flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of grape flavoring oil and a few drops of purple food coloring quickly but thoroughly. Then, carefully pour the hot candy onto a prepared silicone mat or a lightly greased baking sheet. Work swiftly, as the candy will begin to set. Allow the poured candy to cool completely and harden, which usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Once fully cooled, you can easily break the large sheet of candy into smaller, irregular pieces using a candy hammer or by simply tapping it firmly. Store your delicious grape hard candy in an airtight container to prevent stickiness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.